Ever looked at your indoor plants and thought, these could use a little more pizzazz? Well, you're in the right place. Hi there, I'm Rosie from 416 Flowers, where we believe in spreading love, one flower at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY and giving our flower pots a fabulous makeover. Now, before we get our hands dirty, if you haven't already, do hit that subscribe button and join our blooming community. We've got a whole garden of flower-related content that you wouldn't want to miss. All right, let's get started. Customizing your flower pots is not just a fun activity, but it also adds a personal touch to your indoor plants. It's like giving your flowers a home that reflects their beauty. And the best part? You don't need to be a Picasso to do this. With a little creativity and some basic materials, you can transform your pots into works of art. So whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a newbie, this project is for you. It's simple, it's fun, and it's a great way to express your love for flowers. Now, after all that hard work, wouldn't it be nice to have some fresh flowers to put in your newly decorated pots? Well, look no further than 416 Flowers. We offer fast, same-day delivery options, 7 days a week in the Greater Toronto area. And did I mention we have the best prices? So for your next flower order, make 416 Flowers your first choice. Visit us at 416flowers.com and let us help you spread love, one flower at a time. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. Until next time, keep blooming.